Team Rubicon is a veteran-led humanitarian organization that serves global communities before, during, and after disasters and crises. We were founded in response to the Haiti earthquake in 2010, and since then we've grown to more than 200,000 volunteers across the United States, and we've launched over 1,200 operations, domestically and internationally. In order for us to respond to these disasters, Team Rubicon relies on accurate, timely satellite data, like the kind provided by NOAA's GOES-R satellites, to anticipate when and where help is needed most. Lockheed Martin has built the GOES-R series, the nation's most advanced fleet of weather satellites, providing critical data to meteorologists, emergency managers, and first responders nationwide. Team Rubicon and Lockheed Martin are united by one mission: helping when it matters most.